In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a table in Notion. You'll learn how to create both a simple table and a database table, then add rows and columns to organize your information. Let's get started. To create a simple table, open a Notion page, type, then search for simple table and select it. A blank table will be inserted into your page. To add a new row, click the plus button below the table or press tab in the last cell. To add a new column, click the plus button on the right side of the table and enter a name for the new column. If you need more advanced features like sorting, filtering, calendars, or different property types, create a database table instead. Type and search for table, inline or table, full page, then select the option you want. Database tables let you add different property types such as text, date, select, checkbox, status, and more. Click the plus button at the top of the table to add a new property, or click new at the bottom to create another row. You can rename columns, rearrange them by dragging, and customize your table at any time to match your workflow. That's how to make a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.